Hello, agus fáilte rás Thig Na Seansálaithe mas bail seansalachu blaiad Na Seansálaithe is me se Hugh McGill cheara agus na rás a rís leis an séú Eagrán Jade den chláir seo so sin ceir bhí díra don Na Seansálaithe agus ní sin fiú ag contasan seachtainí sin a bhí me deasar sás ceir bhí go lei tuidearbh Harbh leith líon de seo dhéanú. Mata!
Líní leth lá Hugh.
Yeah, exactly. Harbh leáí frí blian seo dhéanú agus an sin Harbh blian na genú seo. Basically tá ra seansálaithe go job. Sin rud bhhain tá ra.
Hashtag
seansálaithe go job. Tá má an seo le muid cóglaci dílis má chuir dílis tá seo ar dúspáir le aine bhuiir aine Jimmer tú.
Tá mé go maiid, Tá hínta an teach an seo Hugh.
Inta, I mean, to the angha hinta, to the brows are fleek, FLI for the C.
He may go main might do hin rib mo vrela.
Oh yeah, what I do? Because I mean, no thing be like on a day.
You should go back me.
Yeah, no. Yep. Oh yeah, you're which brothers in that. No. I say Shaw and Bruntonus. Our presence is your presence, merger and shit.
Oh, okay. Hey, glitch in a row.
No, tá le daoine agus ba bhreala amchaú lomhéna agus a James.
Kitchen.
I don't know what cadwing anime saku rare in there.
She'd just knock a line your movie. I'll get you.
No. Seo fásta le an ledóg é hain na bí gasní scór má fucking ledóg. Tá seo le James ó Flair the James Jimmer tú.
Come on. Just rud ónna rám áin ní bhir is a present homsa dem birthday so ní me se fá gan.
Actually, tá sin ar an mealach agus higle Hugh sin
Yeah, Higgum shouldn't get into Harvard there my yield to, which is the exact opposite of
So yeah, James.
Yep, and so you can come on break no type
well, you were my photo, so I believe when I see it.
The Brunson's the chat
I don't know I will.
Person can yarm and our practice in the air holes Stephen because now motion now and then analyze these box station there's a stage that tumble
a country.
Better your brother is different.
No, you need Roman Jack Mago from Brunton.
Oh no.
Or do.
Okay, we got Rashig and ISPCA.
Oh yeah.
This suits you.
Yeah, we was going wrong with me.
Ar cheap is sig like Kenton like na khaki sin na khaki will the Eastion has good like happy birthday.
No. Like Yama go work to an ISPCA maker to go do to in Canada.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but yeah. Cock that finish on. I'll take it. I'll just to be honest, my hookish up pyro I might take it at this stage.
Yes. Please the tá Eagrán speisialta agin an seachtainí seo agus bhí se smuitiú bhí James an sin a rith seachtainí so James was bhaile an míniu thuirtá ná le chuirsí sa dhéanú James dhéanú leniu James dhéanú nu.
So there was a look at go ráráte rá agus an ceanna searling a raw and then Crashisa came for filmation. So tossing a look and cluiche in Maryland, would you rather in Welge kid bevarnum?
Oh, better shouldn't have died near at the saw.
Shouldn't die near she going to marry.
She not use the carta. So yeah.
And cat cash. Connage do not no Connage gonna marry.
Well, I'm just going to count English. Okay, you know what? Toss was a discussion.
Are Berlin Connors in the land like Connors Connemara?
Yeah.
Okay, so Shaw Mafriar Unric Shaw Cohoman Unric is Bralum Connors Connemara. tá se, cloch se amdú a hiagfáil mar, níor thola rud a bhí coslis, so they're mar an ócáil. Ach tá se ceolhhar, se bríomhhar, tá maidin le géir stracham ní mór na bheith gascanne mar dearan siad. Ach caiim mar raibh in ná, ag gcónaí, ag buairn liste in ahanród an canúint is gnéisiúil, an accent is gnéisiúil tar gcónaí dúna ná, so caiim a úna ná thora na bhuachaint canúint sinna. So Brón Arm James.
Caihí mé tú le Hugh, sílam ghfuil an canúint Gúil canúna ngáil có ceolhhar ní hiag leat itharú agus mar dúirt sé canúint an gnéisiúil atá an as ní óháin gnar an éirí sin ach ar an daoine th leir go maiid is sin gur bralo canúint oltach gúna ngáil.
Yeah.
So tá Brón Arm James.
Níacinn tú Margot Robbie gáilthart, is brelam muir a bhín tímuit a Supermax leir ná muir bhín ag Air Square. Yeah. No, tá sin gafal a canan seolú. Sinna dóitá se.
You're this mass of food now. Some raw a whole of balance doing all and ours great.
Were they getting on Fáilte faoin canúint?
Oh, that's actually whole sexy though.
Ag seo an rud though, nuir tá an canúint agad, ní higann tú ghfuil se gnéisiú na tú cansa daoine eile, chéanta síos tíir tú is rud exotige tú canúint dunáil agad. Agus tú cansa daoine teart agus teú as dunáil, agus tú cansa daoine is eile dunáil, it's just gré glór sacu, so it's níl se it's brelam de glór, it's tá ruirt mar sin le mo chósanne, it's not níl se cool agus probably cearna hí Connemara fásta.
Well, that was balance doing all and this game got Susan doing all. No bothering Susan. As long as she had a phone them all the way to Garsus. Jeez, what an engagement all day. Jesus.
Art na Tesla na Build-A-Bear like Siglatin and Seachtainí the curse down.
Yeah.
So James, what does the rag bear lat can't go now?
It's sure, yeah. It's sure. Oh. We're doing all, please hit me up.
To me.
Shaw, Doc Ratchet, Shaw, like in scaleless mode, but Shaw tourist magic wear like the Shaw.
And you seachtainí though of a magu for Narganuj.
Yeah, Angel Brody takes Scotty though.
You're in chip.
Then what do the cart? Maybe was got out because the leprechauns got it.
Well, a jiglum sample you said the ruddy ashtika you're in chip and TikTok shin on Jack and Scotcha.
Oh yeah.
Ah well. Good.
Level all mehu.
Yeah.
Ní is bradley live of a mask and gaelgas and verla le
Brón Arm level sin focal gaig.
Level all me.
LEBHEAIL level and then what together all level all mau, which means literally a level there's a flat, so flat on mau but they are
Ron Ramadi le James of Florida.
I'm gonna read a cartage folklore of all shoe like you can't come out like that Urban Dictionary or Lena like folklore James the cartage can
Laura cos la contas Connemara.
Fish are on the shelf and like it's made me shop leor.
Well it rot is aggressive so I can't let my amsach. Look at my calipper can dinny and I do.
Shaw can at Ogum sit. Bear live. No Cather bear live from the German Virginia. Who's Sinatra and Cannon is fair.
Could you
bear live, right? Gal gepriesen leheim blian. No big Tridge or Lena le Taylor Swift. Because then Birchaku because like Machenta is like prison, like to is Rud Fear Trunkusha. Lewis to find the Swifties who to the seal heart, like go home on heart.
Chimera na like ni okay that a hand in a go crosslum ni milum Taylor Swift and urge. Sheelum Taylor Rash Signam Grish Dullam after Harry Styles. As í rom sásta bhí sin. Ní sin óháin tan ceol go bra bus ní moch cinál ceol atá agus sin rilí níl grán go mar an bhean bus sílam ag an am céine bearlam
ní tú seo ar a chuid a Hugh ar rála tú tú fucked.
Irá sin Obviously bearlam gan bheith istí brisún ar fe bliana bearlam bheith i trididir lína leis na Swifties mas scáú.
Wow.
Tí tá ceist amsanis is tá mis sé tipáil.
Oh, right.
One way or the other. Well, chance on má bhí má $5 Twitter go bhfuil si gáil ó an scifum.
An chance.
Yeah, an chance, yeah.
Then $5 man in the Swifties, so yeah. Tá mis céir go hart ag daoine sa táchaigh rá. Look, go sin origin.
Bé ó an channel sa cíine ar an géad album eile.
Just go soos like a jukebox and pop going. Oh my god, get her on.
No, Harley shot. Agus an tamar fád tá si like this James thing is master will my last chuig, you know, that's me came over to Tritlam. Agus like, yeah, you know, shot fluency.
Dream James Dan is a cunt.
You've got that James Dan look in your eyes. But like, but this is trade le Taylor Swift. Ní bhhaing Taylor í hain. Like, my acting thing would be a trudge lay. Not even few trudge lay hit. Just generally if we tagging like na mílte thingy. Chomai leis an uachtarán na bed an Taoiseach that chilly. Tá se more like fan all war that Taylor Swift. Like the rith na rith the seachtainí agus dúirt Damon Albarn like you she a splurg nach ro she like screw or any siggy hain agus first she might tweet like how dare you whatever to the mission agus sin an uachtarán that chilly she like yeah get his ass Taylor she like oh my god uachtarán chilly
Sauli ar nuachtarán a genu sin get his ass Taylor.
Like actually not a whole
when my ansalt as the album folklore and sin and ledger na be seachtainí na hénagus sabína hí me géisiart le tú hénagus bunny there be seachtainí
sin anhaú
yeah the bunna chumara mochanas tú na
Harva go mai leis.
So Hugh, would this lean out towards pleasing?
See like
well,
Sean Rudd, like, but you know, Gary of a Gobbers the man. But
in fairness, like, what the turns to me is killing them raw. It's a hot, I think. You know, you fucking fear on going to go ban on what the feud on Taylor Swift, like.
Sean Rudd, right? So, your father Gobbers the man. Like Gobber, you know, listen, phodchraoladh shog, it's the radio, it's the you know, the television, it's a machine. Lewis tagging na Swifties sin tagan an cancellation beidir agus you know chance mai like ní bheith dingy bí I gary the ober in the Asian you know ar leid ba change be presume you know chance go tell the ober in the Asian.
My integrate prison ní bheith talk to job by Lotto be in the Asian.
Ja so go ben phodchraoladh shot go the fáil sílam.
But just tí prison.
Mis genuine hafid fríd and gléachar an phone. She got a couple of cent out of her chance into the hall to try Ray.
My dirty Na Seansálaithe good job.
Good job. Yeah. But come on, natural image.
Joan and your.
Yeah. No, during the Swifties, she go like Hugh and backlash a wee to you know like you vet to Twitter is to reach a better nation rud raw up better be you know better be ma wad ní smó productive mata arm machontas Twitter scrisu. Ceirfut aine bhfuil éon cadar bearlah bhfuil éon ceis ní bhí agad.
Tá ceann chun spóide thugam manis.
Ní
hána se le tú.
Ní hána se lom, okay.
Ig mé le géisteach le ná an chóran nniu.
Actually, no, ní sin a bhí mar go rá. Ní sin má fearsan dacht omlád, okay.
Cheanna tú tickets in Áine go céir.
Yeah, tá mar bródú lei sin cheanna mar ticketí gur hairsta is súil mór leis. Tá éidir sin na méid.
Yeah.
Ok, so bó ceis ná. Seo faoi édaí an beirlíh an cólacht gote nó bailile.
Áine.
Agus tá gom ghfuil an dá cin a gansaí tá si dogamsa, tá si dogad sa Hugh agus tá gom go cean gote agad sa James bhfuil cean bailile agad.
No.
Oh.
No, bhí me actually chuú bhí me gur cean áil, bhí sé sold out, so
Tá si an éilehharthú.
fair play, Paula. Much we get sponsorship or something. Go for it.
Ní mu fáil cean bhí ó gote.
No.
Neil. Yeah, Paula, hit me up. No, come on, I have to back my boy. Come on, gotcha. No, got it. Tá bailile well and good. Éadach maith acu, you know, on quality.
Sustainable.
Come on. But in your TikTok funny though? I don't think so. In your TikTok funny the alpacas. So look, gotcha and show. Tell me book a gotcha.
Could you food to Hugh?
So Shaw Rudd, right? Okay.
Hugh, my end is the bottom. This my leave got a sponsor.
But just couldn't the brand the hay in a trash on it.
No, Hugh, I need the sponsorship, man.
No, my answer, okay. Shama meve unrick, right? Tama inta bradal as the gantia, agus as the T-lenche. Ta inta jas nar akimiad Line agus nar akimiad the man host the Hanik ma couple of TikTok which na distracting agus vi couple of the Gael Gori caiúiad na influencers. So vi bitta jazz agus vi son carna so vi already jazz yanu. A hanging am Kierna test of bailile deadly. Agus caihim ma gansi bailile a hanet. Có mai lei seo caim gansi a hanet, but caihim cin bailile níos mó ríis. Agus tuis do bhád níos mó sustainable na a bhí na cinní gutse like flisnaring a ra. Agus yeah, so I think go gaihí ma a ra matam a honna anrige camera ghfuil bailile an brand is fair.
Was that show editor? I mean, I book him a balle. Sorry, you just had to done for balle. Sorry, just could jump around. I guess.
Be James just leave in a liquor.
No, we'll take it a hin. Cash a jumper could arm so go may sound king on the shore. Boom.
Well, better go care to see cast the Yanzi balle cos le Hugh is my hen. Shakas vegir colact with these in Ashka Kurrogat.
You get me the good etiquette the foss and the greens on you. I fucking pimped it all.
Na crunche a bhí curtha ag bailile marall and stuff a bhí
Fair play all back near etiquette on the green stream.
Tá mi se mar gin le Hugh sílam ghfuil brand ionach aige agus gro se anclisten dóigur gur ghlach sé fhí sean agus chrohí sé gro beaggas sin agus chudí sé le carnacht agus sinna le ach ag nám céine tá cólach bailile níos fearr an timplacht. Agus is bailile man dá is bailile mo híle na gote is bailile mo gheansaí bailile ach díreach mé allar ghfuil sé níos fearr an timplacht tá me chun bailile ará sin an tain.
Sean rodile a bheith ag bailile nachhfuil ag gote. Tá bailile go fáil jail stuff ní.
Look James cólach nachfuil fiú an níos mó.
Got it. Should set up Vincho.
Oh, mo dé switchú lagin Connemara go duch le James dhéana le de gansaí. Mar scrín sé golle.
Golle,
Golle. But you have a good video.
Caiú asal a bheir in áit an alpaca.
Áine, tossing fós go alpaca, they're two different species. Ní back no go just go Connemara go
Tá gom sin.
I don't know. Ní ceapan gur walk being díos Connemara alpaca. Sorry.
Ví sag gur se go tá vision agus hí hungry out to dry. Ním se go jumper bad out is horrible.
Yeah, bhfuil le chéile rih an phodchraoladh le ionsaí an uirt.
Bhfuil a go DJ dó rud atá ionta conspóide gur dinsting dú agus le seanscoil an ceart acu seans nach bé alpaca atá siadam gur láma atá Actually.
Jane difriocht mas féidir am an ceis nach chur.
I think it's like an all in bhí nach chuú mar sin ná, like it's like species like cinla that defriúil so sílam gur bé.
So bhí tú nánam scotse lámara scotse alpaca tá gote alpaca níos fearr.
Yeah, as an bheil níos fearr. Tá an níos ceolhar.
I ganún gnééisú gúna ngáil.
Tar éis an disappointment sin mu chéad cheiste le. So tá mis gáil si chuir spotte dachar ná.
Okay.
Tá an níos burt gomórn rá. Scotty bín si do bhuachaint. Agus
Cuní PG in sé.
Don't worry.
Yeah, ní se ra.
Mar was ag ag bhuachaint an go ag blochtí cead agus brenn le fi an Hansráide chunamara. Ach I bear leat nuair tá si sa próséis it's in an rá dá roiocht tú anim de ex a duine nó anim an caras feart acu.
Sin really deli.
Sílam gur fearlam ex anim an ex ag le ar mí allar Jig le just é chur she's like sin just bhí sé den nósa gom. Seachas má dhearann tú aim dlúchar acu siad go daim dlúchar acu leat agus bheith sin níos measa so sílam go mis chun exrá Beiidir ní gom seo hypothetical go níor hardly sure riomh dú.
I don't know le ceún ceisian áine.
Dá ro se chun tarlú agus níor hála sé, dá ro sé dá ruút má aim sige agus seo aim sige, bud dá ruút má aim sige. No, definitely ná ní hocail aim de extra a harp no like sin like sin and tá red flags an agus tá shoppi den the bratach dearg an sin agus seo like an rudomlan like ní hocail ex like but all that roots to aim caras acu like the sin like all like because tend to like they must meet you fleet like the car or whatever but late it's like but like ní on the car like it's thing it the seal so ní seal hey whereas with this is a red the X it's like there's you could fall like smeecher or anything you shot agus which brush Swiss like kve dam or whatever so no ní hocail at that and oh my god just a smeecher fish like No. Like ten Bertach go off like neach an rego kin these fair like canela, but like no, ni hocail an dex ra. Harpy. Oh my god.
That is our best friend.
Yeah, definitely. Oh yeah, no, ni hocail an dex ra. No. Cadin yan this is James.
So come up kid airs to your heart.
Yeah.
No, like heart, all right. So welche cynical is go le bheith? Ma éan tú anam carlo, mas úr seansa leis carlo.
Ní brín sé an dóis sin.
No, fád second, because that chase se higgin cara agus is like, yeah, dirt James anim so good because much blue cracking whatever. I was in car like, oh really? A nurture. Agus single whereas my Jerry, Kaitu Arker or Kajay to dingy on a rat and the shot because my Jerry, dirt shot and you actually give me but like Milchna. Ganda shot Harley.
I know she just like need a car go no mach an so
Jerry and New York and car tá sin creepy.
Yeah.
Agus fé an car taku.
Yeah, I don't know. Need some get them final answer either. I think we've got extra, I think. We've got extra.
The con extra and Bertie con extra.
Yeah. Thought the method to the madness now. At least at the Queen were then kids to let imagine I'll go to go like car lobe like
Need a few crib newer and dinishin just hook let they rag on sweet you.
I know, but then that sin a bhíú an sin agus tú.
Yeah. Some go done my into out of habit version like
The clachty leis. It's like, oh, my ex. Like, oh, sorry, no, just Jenna shouldn't go. It's like, what? Jenna shouldn't go. You can't find Jenna shouldn't. You know, I lie. It's like, oh, you can't be doing your shows and this, you know, this year, man, you know, whatever like that. Whereas,
no,
like, my parents,
my into the ex version, positive on, benefit on, lemon reasoning version, me all. My into the end the ex. Dated, go to start a clogion on then elle raw. Jeez, the raw animal next me go sex I couldn't do it. As Cam was up the game. So shin Ní mis rá go das níos mú sex na tá, but it's a possibility. Tá mis bra happy le mo biannual sex. Like look, it's good. But Dini Ella, the Mr. Spread Maka Dini Ella in relationships with it.
Shouldn't biannual with the Safal James.
Yeah, it's based on what I thought even biannual is now ground. I might go down to annual.
The whammy booked my Asian she leis an
I'll take a whole sheet in the mouth and no one fairness.
Yeah, Jerry, yeah. There's now some in the special go shot, better ní shot carp. I think my yarn to Áine the X. I don't think we'll think it'll be smooth you up. Picard to be small, Yanu Lush and lad shot. I think better fishing. Fishing Jerry and scale. Fishing
Yeah. Either way, it's dead and scale, Tom. Either way.
Yeah.
Definitely gone out. Jin Ked cash out of yogurt and Jin Ked would you rather out of yogurt?
So Beidr nach dig lumsa susa an cean se raggur te gceart Hugh, but hiaglann iarachtaí anuas. An fearliv gra aimsú iniu, nó an Lotto bhuachaint an bblin se thugann.
Oh.
See hiaglann trantú artra, well tá gra aimsú thugann Yanni. So
bitch a great like.
So we're running a Lotto bhuachaint an bblin se thugann.
Oh yeah. Oh, Bella, the mission love. Oh. Oh, I can't wait like Valentine. Oh.
Cuiche, imagine German folks the gay shot cuiche. Okay, but
raw to show Kesha just eat the arms because
well no, ik like you know Saulu Daro, you know, mother room which just the thing you one much. Sheelam's I Shaw cash fear out agus Jenny shot the for Kane you know friar to my own torch. Bishaw and Lotto Sutter Hannigan jackpot more shin like no Bishaw and ish because like being jackpot rivet like the hurting cash arm like 3 shocking on you I'd be like oh yeah definitely need to take €1 again at the end like 100%, but next 10 jackpot like you know €1 yeah €1
no Jerry would need a million.
Yeah,
it both the love of your life.
No, just like quick spring fling.
Yeah, you know
that could be rude.
There are factors that show both in the Euro millions, both on love of your life. You know.
Actually, the raw gra I'm sure. So fear gra.
So gra the heel like in like I think you Jeremy.
Has it been the Euro millions? Been the Euro millions son?
Jeremy's the Euro millions. Yeah, Jeremy's
the Euro millions. This more wog. You're into a $9 million of the attacking to
more galore ach ni raw war because like my yarn to like quick kid €1 as an orb it's like okay well then obviously like the $9 million is like so lair and shit.
Brahan share card Tony's talk did it.
See Shaw you know like Shaw take cons budget right Mass A and then you Shaw and grad at the heel right Mass Shaw and then you to go away lash agus my craic to is soulmates agus my craic to
also exactly get the girl up
yeah Chucky to rash huku
not when a character can go like
no he let should have been got boon to lesson dinner show in you one yeah boon to an Lotto and bblin se thugann lesson dinner show reached
otherwise that do ships passing in the night
yeah
Jerry mission merchant then Jerry mission grat Marial ma William and Lotto right so must I shot I think it's a gram heel like me thing be these fargum that shot I give it thing be like ben Lotto go begin blian, but then ní bhfuil mé le gram a híal riche ní éisian. So then
Agus thug le ará mai búlú le grad a híal tá sin costa leis an Lotto.
boo.
Tá bheith mothú románsú tá lá le Valentína se.
tartar corneal agus ten breithla chartar corneal fast is te again go si fall jingar jazz si fall couple brunta sí jazz in is.
Oh yeah, it's just one word answer was my thoughts and go this got felt any.
Lotto.
A whole Lotto love.
Boo. Boo. No, in area though, I can't find around the grand non Lotto.
Round an gra mé thulum an Lotto can just bhín ní me gibh uignach Tá sin níos fearbh bocht agus an gá sílumm na sever agus uignach. So Jerry me se gra.
Preach.
Preach. Can I get an amen?
Amen. Mar dúirt RuPaul. You can't love yourself. How the hell are you going to love anybody else? Yeah, that's some RuPaul. Yeah, Mr. Drag Race.
Ní ra mai súile RuPaul or Chin Hugh.
Yeah, no, Mr. Kirker Drag Race back in the day. He's like him say. Hugh Paul of Tying Armster in Loscott.
Exactly.
So what was a gra no Lotto Hugh?
Jeremy Gra. Care if it's a James.
See, should the raw take with birds like when man an castle leis an banjo at a malach godi cheannas man Lotto,
no?
Okay.
Agus ní bhfuil tú leiche in the buin tú an Lotto fásta.
Okay.
Sna ceas le
James, ten tú Ryan Erchin cumáil an ar néistóí faoi céfed go géirí like gra aimimsú. So má ahring the
raw mood amsa, right? The raw mood amsa. Complete and utter simp. Agus. Come hard. Pray darngale. Love isn't real. So moral dilemma is will hit the gurdons grow.
Oh, Cashinta Doin.
It just meet onto the things as could it to so stop for the rest of your life. I don't know.
No, huckle at the way more bachelor, huckle at the way, you know.
See, to my communish. What one of them are Dan Blazarian fashion like.
James Dan Blazarian.
No.
Mind blown.
See, I love rom-coms, agus tá.
I love.
Agus like my favorite clore ever in that How I Met Your Mother. So, Ka ma gra.
Yay!
But fuck me, cause she got worth it. But there's 19 million. Creamer go fuck man. This always came 19 million.
Nish, Mata 90 million. Oh good. Bear sin great fast.
Sin a rud, ní muid nach go airgid docu sin.
Yeah.
So. Hocklin was it.
Bedra go bé grad heel na an van of you Jeff Bezos. So they're first scarlik agus she like and ban is sever and don't you know huggle sin and thing at the heel and it.
Yeah, true. Can catch that Hugh.
And cash at ogums na our bearlat Gaelic Christian na Burlic Christian our bearliv is a shock asking Gaelic our bearliv gan dul hig arachtas na sauna chiche rish no gan Gaelic úsaj I were seal a rish
Gaelic gan a úsaj rish nu gan good ag an erachtas.
So hoglaat gal hig hoglaat an maid smó Gaelic is féidir dhéanú ach an ihe is mód an blian ní bheith tú ná Jerry seachting is mó an go leisceil ní bheith tú ná Harbí nó dul ag an airachtas agus gan a bheith abtain gaile úsáid so ní bheith sa tí go ré.
Ó san ní cad an gaile Lord ag an airachtas fiú.
Well má tú like oh no sorry big gaile go good but then no because then ní bheith tú like má chéint an airachtas ach níl gaile go good. Like sin tan dead ra is go gaile go good but ní féad le dul ag an airachtas nó tata dul ag an airachtas ach níl gaile go good.
Caiime se a barlam gaile a bheith agam agus gandul ag an airachtas mar ní bheith crackar bís an airachtas mar jig le Lord le dinner bí.
Yeah, I actually think hard.
You see, we should just call it grogs for the. One reason you sure, right? I'm just going to meet a love of my life, Eagrán artist. So.
Ní Lord she laat met dat Lord Berle.
Maar she my love of my life is Lord, you know.
Tás go tain ar haon tú staig arachtas na saon an lí Lord dinner bí focal Berles má Lord fine sheets you get the dirty looks.
Yeah. So my actually queen were a couple of dinner initiatives Eagrán artist that possibly love my lives. And the Lord should love my just barely love him. Yeah.
Bhí ceidir ná híon ceidir an darú chu si gan airtas bhí daoine teart ag seint ag gitar tú muid an sean mór agus seán le cearfol gomáidín agus há daoine teart cheáil oasis agus like oh whatever agus tána go sean lá seo siar agus le chuir seán leas ar an gitar agus bhí like just idirtas na hána seán extra gaelic whatever agus muid like ar fád hab do gaelic dhéanúgus a hamar like muid fád gaelic cheol agus chaint whatever just fiú muid Gary an orange seo chaú gin am seo so block today go a rire man tú dúirt gaelic gin
oh yeah 100% yeah so im léana tá go meet love my life Eagrán artist agus tá túr súil Lotto
Sin rud is fear jiglan bheú leis tas gon goraíachtas na saon ar raim lína.
Nis tá se a han pí am de fest.
Yeah, thanks on you. Fuck's sake. Fucking hell.
My bad.
I had pí am at tí hammer the machine point.
No mate, this is shade amach a cuineal at the hawk de verte. We are fucking wishag me erachtas on.
Emma wishag gwil arachtas na sauna, félan na galley. Electric picnic. Cé eile man gen jarmder lánradí go raithí si le ra galam díh an hélum mentiondíh cén goíh séidir mat na gwine. Ní po sé Ok níl me kan nu.
Yeah, I really hope go miss castle the love of my life again after this on you to be honest.
Sin rud go miss go.
Yeah, 100%. I love that song, yeah, so come on. Spread the love.
Ní Glockachin wish James Glockachin miracle.
Fuck it, tá 90 million ago, I'm a fucking focal. Gonna ride him up, pocket.
Oh yeah. Beat the cleaner the yacht or the.
Then I the wipe on the 20s, bro. Oh, do you have anything stronger? This bottom of who kid popper. Oh yeah, that works.
Oh my god. Oh. So Jacker. And you can film a jet ski nish. Oh yeah.
Well, catch the one line.
Yeah, we shouldn't catch Jarna Viogum, so we'll catch Viogum James.
Okay. Then we've got who's back at East. Sexual. If you're at siúil the mhuintir, it's an indeed new the mhuintir siúil earth is an indeed.
Nígum count Ragert.
Basicum Hulu is there's to siúil Visum David to catch arm, and I was like, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Right. Charlotte, it's like Kaitis meet you or K at a Hanave Nismo traumatized free and Emakcha Martali and Sha. You know, because like to Machilasa Inta, you know, Presidenta ínta seannáisinta agus ínta ínta go jazz agus like siadamsa like fiú karma mar seo bring me si drama a couple of bhíanahain agus bhí armsa like a bheith caiú tabbac like brega ar an státe agus choúis a mission rud suasig an bhil agus bring me pufta bring me wehar like mar sin so sinna level da siúc a hocail muid watcher bheith so sílamsa like agus fuil am seára ach sílamsa like bhénsa níos fearr tá siúlainn sa steap ar machaila ar watcher ag gala cheile because bhí me se like oh my god ag dridgeon dars and then bhí me se to compartmentalizing ach má eicim like mo wehar na ma air me si agus mo halincar ag go an at mar journey ní ceapan go mééis dabta mé gurc sa súla ríis like si like go bhéte like an rud is más gorálaí fit so sinna fáil go me se ranú sin because I think go me se go bhénsa níos fearr ag déile leis bhénsa bebata bheith like okay seachtainí leor whereas I think má hánig thing bhí me fe lá like oh my god agus like I think Ten criú acu.
What did the mhuintir fósa fucking fair play like.
Yeah, fair play. My dita.
Right on.
Dílam gnéintim le Hugh. Cé nach chu mé sin eáil? Sílam gúil se níos fearr na muiad siúlaiste harmsa bheith se críomhriiste. Ní gá dó sin riú tarlú. Bearlam cuasús leis an trauma ó siúlaiste harm hisismó.
Fair enough.
Agus sinna méidir go me go ráfi sin.
Tá mis completely disagree on libh.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, 100%. 100%.
Can't flat.
Step 1, the scenario seo tá sex atá, so I'll take that.
Ní hiic le seátá like yeah uair sa bhí ended to James so
no should then tríúd womsa some name right. Secondly, tá mo mhuintir strangely liberal like so that she's grand like I think I had really proud of like I think fist bump.
My fire and closes the door.
High five.
Bully for James, bully for my who.
Agus step 3. Tá mo bhhad mis chrá I gar banú toáile. So tá hiúach sí steach arm a seo at least cheapach sé gur a girlfriend am le písin beg. So in all my mind, ní mis cosús a tram is not that, but if anything to my has go mhuintir because then to rá at least tá sé active. Tá sé sábailte.
Tá sé gobar
agus tá sean sa cínán go mé ban le cúna dé amach seán.
Sean goes to the Gurker, future daughter-in-law saku, see Shamron sin,
Who knows? Like got an innovation on brand or in it, but
ag an am here that like my acting to sin, like you can only go uphill.
Look, in Martin Heash, big breakfast with broads and taco home because we both got a good appetite.
Which are cost like go to train on well and it's like yeah chocolate pancake
eureka moment on mhuintir agus I think I got my censorship for my veil letting a podcast just got say.
Do you know what, James? Ain't team lad. No, actually ain't team lad because it's brand obligation the reasoning shot or the logic shot so na ahru chuig
good logics agus go ma internet go annoyed get your head out of your ass that's like with the cat dom.
Just ahru to sílní and méid an dín especially kind of archer and cash shot it died go homlan uirnish.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh yeah, well mar Jeremy Clarkson on that bombshell si dom gobéisisin don Claire aniu manuel in Cashní agah in would you rather agah sin gobé sin
I think with an Tá réite romhainn teáinú is amsa so can't dig a bigger hole not
No,
séú or jeg.
Yeah, don séir an Eagrán cin fá.
Yeah, no wonder not me máach ba annually.
Béis annually fin bean seo. Ná beidir triannually beidir ne so good.
Cechanneocht once per decade.
Oh, not centenarians an céad blian.
Look, béidir.
Take a bunch of seo
Here's to hoping.
Well, sin é as Virginia as the seansaí a couple fógra agin actually sulir chunmuid jeú leis an chléir an céad fógrú ná cin as Áine mas bhain le é rinch an gdéan an dúchlantatí enú I mí fiara.
Oh my god. Tam it gon chuige squat an láanana chuine mí fiara chuinn carnacht ítach Bernardos. Tá nasc ógum má leathanach Facebook ach bé me a rein trasna go Twitter Twitter persanta agus Twitter Na Seansálaithe as mar an ggéine ar Instagram má a daoine gurí coppla ponta chuirt bhé an bhuiig.
Bei si buí leis is faoi Jeremy fiara sin
gnéine me progress pics agus go mé cé go mé táin cé go mé dearna mísa.
Áine, tá an tagline am what?
Oh, go
Build that booty for Bernardos.
Ja som cé fáin ná is a gobar sa mar geart James.
Bernardos a géisteach níos ra dam catíar smuiti winter sin.
Build that booty yo Bernardo.
Seoigh wat is fear though is the cyfiogum sa bhí Eagrán bhí seo le seachtainí nach chuid agus dúirtas Áine bhí le fuil am daoine ghlach go picturí sa gym agus níos bit sin seo like the classic pose like and drimmic just on heart like day 4 day quick like you know.
Ní me consultúin seas ach cai me sílam físean a dhéanú an scolas daoine go me actually
Jenny
na squat. So Jenny me montage den mí omlan.
Cadún post in the costa go to
ag gur hart
ig
Brisim a grim.
after to get go timp do rim agus routines allach the folk at a right hand side version. You know that?
A classic. Yeah, a classic.
Bearm sin na cloch dúnis.
Yeah. Get the gym.
Like on yoga in the
Gen the stretches.
Get that down the fogra.
Dar the fogra ná go misise tuise agus Áine chun bheith é mala lia ar an daig go le a mí na Marta ag géalgairí mar fást de seach na Gaeilge níl ach misisiigh genú set go fáil I mean mata Áine James Gary set genú fásta tu mar cinnte go fáil a Rome pu a bhí misisiigh genú set ach bé jing Swiss an sin ar aonos ag bun ansaltas an craic agus cóúdar so má teú Gary dul hiig an éach na ticketí ar Eventbrite inis ar fá €10 sin na €5 man bhfuil mata dí mar miléin na man bhfuil pasta go bí na ticketí elfing €5 ach mata den €10 ditse ach an musú mór le ige mór sa big smoke.
Whoop whoop. Yes, tá so go mór leis. But my name is James just an sin don crack. Hig le mo daimsú sté mar.
Unless go gaha duna cinn sús a stage ma hééis go bizách bud.
As higlinn rá during godar lei sin
súlam go mé mohéchan e mo háhín so as go le na éisiúí na loyal listeners ag gar techt níos agus seaach bé begin sí an don't worry duna me le tá.
Just úsáid an code word seansalaithe agus dheoidh tú.
Tá chéad round ursa an dána round ursa na tí round ursa.
Mat an táhart. James genú gab round a hanning is a virgin. Ní hogla me cinna bí eile dhéanú gur maiid den sé ce eile. Yeah, shot James shot. Ach yes bh jingin sin ar an dail le Jake do mí Marta so bíí ling an hí sin agus bí le Gaeilgairí fásta. Ach sílam gobéis sin é don chléir aniuh mas maidh muide amsú ar na main hosta tá muid ar na Seansálaithe ag Twitter na Seansálaithe ar Instagram agus na Seansálaithe ar YouTube agus is féidir muid eáil glorious 1080p ar an canal YouTube agus feáil na reactions bhíogin ag coppla ruí muidirráile cheile. Má géir Áine amsú ar Instagram ar Twitter tá si ar Áine Weir agus fásta le James with gur James amsú ar na main hoisiilta se ar Instagram ag flaharta Twitter ar flaharta. Dé the username ar Tinder James King agus hanging é rinch.
Don't worry, basically came in at Tinder. Flahar Hugh.
Sorry.
Dús mas áirí, like I gcuí am leat. Tá donnig gáí sexy, a catú do a use as a conmara.
Could have cos an walk.
Yeah.
Agus tá mise ar Twitter agus Instagram fásta ag Hugh Carr here. Or my German the TikTok so go leis agus Hugh Carr anywhere flaharta like ar a TikTok but the game amsú gur a míle maigad is big leis an chláir se agus mas bhaile bhí smó den cinna Eagrán seo chláisiil gen chur chat looking agus Harvard my German fi seo fásta te nasc is tí ar an Spotify le voice notes a her agin agus mud ag chuna chláir le cheile so mat de gaiir chat a cheall lugin beidir sais agony ant like mat a 5 bugin tú ceir mu a codú leat
offer le date
no offer le date le James is féidir dat dul an nasc ar Spotify tá síos mar anchor.fm/Seachtainí/voice memo sin an nasc don fe jefi tú ach mat de gaiir nó a chu agin found out cheall é hogin agus beidir go cluiche tú do leor ar an chléir fásta, beidir go bhéta mar honorary seachtainí don le agus nachfuil sin rud is fearr go féidir le aon daine bheith. Sin go sin é, bhfuil léon rud duile?
Níl
sin é?
Deadly! Well, gur míle maigam bheitachta bheith ag nes céfá go chusta sin. Gur míle maigam bheitachta bheith géisiart agus tu slúmór le sibh bheith linn a ríis le haid Eagrán a Sraith dá na Seachtainí. Salib!
Slán!
Slán!